Master Section Overview. The Master Section serves as the central control hub for the entire software. It manages and configures various other sections, enabling seamless customization and administration for any school. Activity types. In this section, you can add various types of school activities. These may include activities conducted during school hours or extracurricular activities scheduled outside school timings. Class Masters. You can define and manage all class details using the Class Masters section. It allows for easy structuring and organization of academic classes within the institution. Fee Structure Masters. The Fee Structure Master allows you to view and configure the fee structure for each academic session and class. You can view detailed fee breakups, customize the structure as per the school's specific requirements, tailor fee plans to suit various categories of students. ID card generation. The system offers a built-in ID card generator for both students and escorts. Select individuals and instantly generate their ID cards. Parent escort cards can also be generated and saved as PDF files for printing. The ID card settings allow you to define card dimensions, width and height, based on your physical card specifications. Network or access control. IP range management. Define IP ranges to restrict or allow access to the software. This helps secure the system from unauthorized external access. Late fee configuration. Customize and implement a late fee structure to automatically handle late payments based on predefined rules. Leave or holiday management. Leave exempt dates. Specify dates that should not count as leave. Public holidays. Add holidays to the calendar, and the system will automatically generate a public holiday report for the school. School details configuration. This section allows you to set up key school information, upload the principal's signature and school logo, which are embedded in student ID cards and report cards. Set session details including start and end dates. Maintain historical data from the date of implementation. Student data. Import. Easily onboard students into the system by importing data through an Excel sheet. Download a sample Excel file. Fill in the required details. Upload the file to import all student data in one go. Weekly holiday settings. Customize the weekly holidays based on your institution's schedule. Some schools observe holidays on Saturday and Sunday. Others may observe holidays on Thursday and Sunday. This is fully configurable to match your school's calendar.